This is the main elevator at the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally a Westinghouse elevator, and that's how I've known it since my youth, but in the mid-2010s it got modded by Otis. Okay, we're gonna go up to 4. Lantern is already on. Let's go down to G. And we're gonna have some people coming on. Alright, this was cut together due to how busy this elevator is. Here we are. Here's a look at the freight elevator, which of course is staff only. Also, I gotta shout out this elevator, which is an original Westinghouse elevator that hasn't been modded, and it is at the Rango's Giant Cinema. I didn't ride this one because you need someone to access it. These are the elevators at the Pittsburgh Science Pavilion at the Science Center. These were installed in 2018. These are scenic Otis Gen 2s. Let's go to 2. Because the 3rd floor is a private. Okay, let's go to G. Nice Otis 2 Gen 2 acceleration. I like it. This is an extra elevator in the PPG Science Pavilion. This is another Otis Gen 2. This one's non-scenic and only serves 2 floors. Well, this one's a hydrofit. It's got all the whoa! Excuse me, the indicator did not change. Let's go back down to 1. Indicator is still on 1. This is the only hydro fit that I know in this museum.